you really have to look at it from the point of, what about the immediate sector? What about the people who would be second officers, right? First officers who can make it to that captaincy, who might move out of the industry? What about those mechanics who might not be senior mechanics, but might move out of the industry? And what about all those cadets who are in flight training schools who just get, with all the negative publicity, not be happy to start their careers in aviation? That's, to me, kind of a much more kind of a longer impact aspect.
Yeah, that's what I worry about too. Like all the flight schools here, a lot of the flight schools in the States that were training, a lot of their students were coming over from Asia, and they're all shut down. I mean, basically everybody's got shut down. You're like, all right, well, it's, if we turn them back on tomorrow, it's a year before we start kicking out our first pilots again. So, you're shut down for at least a year. So yeah, that's the thing that bothers me the most.